If you want to number consecutive items, but there are blank spaces between the items, the usual drag and drop won't work in Google Sheets. Let's see what happens if we try that method. Select the consecutive cells including the blank spaces between them. With your mouse, click and drag the bottom cell's blue square, then drop it where you want the numbers to end. You can see that the usual method does not correctly produce the consecutive numbers. Let's click Undo. Let's try the first of two methods you can use instead to consecutively order numbers with blank cells between them. Click into the first cell in the column in which you want your numbering. Copy the following formula. You can access this and other formulas in this tutorial by clicking the link in the step text or on the slide. Paste the formula you just copied into the first cell of the column where you want the numbering to begin. The formula will place a spaceholder 0 in cell A1. With the cell selected, click and drag its blue handle, and drop it down the column to where you want the numbering to end. You have just consecutively numbered the items while leaving blank spaces between them. Scroll up to the top of the sheet. To try our second method, you can either click Undo, or select column A and delete the cell's contents. The second method allows you to start the consecutive numbering in any cell in the column. Click into a cell next to where your data begins. In this example, click cell A5. Copy the following formula. Access this and other formulas in this tutorial by clicking the link in the step text or on the slide. Paste the formula into cell A5. That puts a 1 into the first cell of the sequence. With the cell selected, click and drag its blue handle, and drop it down the column to where you want the numbering to end. You can expand the formula as far down the column as you want. With the cell still selected, click and drag the blue handle, and drop it down the column to where you want the numbering to end. Once again, you've consecutively numbered cells with blank cells between them. Scroll up to the top of the sheet. You can choose whether to start the counting wherever the list begins, or simply begin counting from the top of a column. The formula in this tutorial counted by 4s. The PDF with the formulas used in this tutorial shows some alternative formulas for counting by 3s or 5s. That's it, you're done.